Model, 2008 Vauxhall Vivaro 2900 2.0 CDTI, 115 PS, long wheelbase, STD roof. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 16000. Engine, 1995 CCM9R, 115 bhpg. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Gearbox will need replacing due to 6th gear failing. Nice easy in and out job. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 4 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740